We're finishing off the week with the strongest list of daily deals we've managed to assemble in quite some time. Highlights include the return of the $15 Crock-Pot slow cooker that people went crazy over at $10 for an LED backlight kit that'll change the way you watch TV, Amazon's best-selling over-ear Bluetooth headphones for just $33, an awesome iPhone X case for just $5, a smart power strip with 4 plugs that are each individually controllable with Alexa, a top-rated Vizio soundbar for just $99.99, half off the August smart lock, deep discounts on refurbished iPad Pro tablets, $20 off a Fire TV stick and Echo Dot bundle, and plenty more. Check out all of Friday's best deals below. Follow @BearDeals on Twitter to keep up with the latest and greatest deals we find around the web. BGR Deals content is independent of editorial and advertising, and BGR may receive a commission on purchases made through our posts.